Good morning! Ah! Hey everyone, it has been a hot mother minute since I made a video. The spawn of Satan, aka my sister, has finally left the coop. I also call her Rooster because she would wake up, I kid you not, every morning at 6 a.m. and would just like be like, hey, what are we gonna do? I'm like, bitch, it's 6. I have a week off of work. Don't bother me, I want to sleep. But yeah, that was kind of funny and cute. Did I forget to introduce myself? I was so excited. Bitch, my name is Monia and you are watching Ride or Die with Monia. Please subscribe, like this video, say hello. Yes, I want you to do all this before we even jump into the nitty gritty of the details of this video because I don't want to feel like you're taking advantage of me right now, okay? So in order for me to feel like that, you have to subscribe, like this video, and say hi to me. Or say something stupid. I don't know. Ask me a question. I would love to answer them. Okay, cue to the part of the makeup now. So I'm getting back into the groove of things, one of them being a review haul. Ew. So I had this for a while, but I've not touched it. I've opened it and I've been like, but I mean, look at this shit, bitch. That, ooh, yeah. It's like talking dirty to me. I'm like, yeah, what else? This is LYS, which is their Aim High Pressed Highlighter Powder, and it goes for $19. I have very oily fingers, as you can tell, and it's a cute little triangle moment. A little bit, this is a brand I've never tried before. I've never heard of it. I haven't even seen advertisements about it, so I was just like, I need a new highlighter because I dropped my Ilia one, RIP, and this was it. So this retails for $19. They have 3 different shades. I, of course, have the color Brave Champagne. It's considered a clean beauty product, which I'm super excited about. So it's super fine, talc-free, velvety pressed highlighter powder for luxuriously radiant looking skin. It has some health or skincare ingredients such as niacinamide, Mangifera indica, mango fruit extract, and then there's sodium hyaluronic. I think you guys should just read what that means and how to pronounce it. What else do you need to know? So it's multi-dimensional pearl pigments, and this pressed powder gives a seamless boost of visible radiance without unwanted chunky glitter. Love that. Grace your skin with this enriching formula that's infused with skincare ingredients without accentuating texture or enlarged pores. We will see about that. Won't we? Let's jump into it because we ain't got time to waste today. But really, I want to swatch it, guys. Ready? I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Okay. It's not too creamy. That is fucking stunning. Like I was like, wow. Okay, so let's see. Bitch. Where are we going tonight? That's all I want to know. That is stunning. Just look at that glow and how beautiful it looks on this skin. It does look very natural. It does not accentuate anything on my hand. Not that I do have really texture, but there are like a little bit of fine lines in there, and it's not really making it like known. Like it looks like very soft. That looks stunning. Okay, bitch, let's go. So when I was feeling it, I thought it would be a lot more creamier because it said it was like a creamy velvety texture, but I would say it was like a healthy mix of dry to creaminess, right? So like if you worked it in a little bit, you would get that more creamy texture, like feeling, but when you initially just swap it, it's more on the drier side. Done! My handy dandy notebook. So I'm getting in there. There's no fallout. It's kind of what it looks like. And we're just gonna go on the cheekbone. I'm getting in a little closer. Oh my Lord. Wow. Whoa. Do you see that shit? Fuck. Look how natural that looks. And I have keratosis pilaris on my face, which is basically like little pimples all over my skin. They also name it like chicken skin. So I do have it on my cheeks and on my arms. That being said, I thought because I do have texture of the bumps on my face, it would accentuate it. But I feel like it actually makes my skin look smoother and as if I don't have any keratosis pilaris. So I'm gonna apply it on my nose. Okay, and then with my smaller detailed brush, I'm gonna just go into the corner of my eyes. But you can see more of the highlight in the lower light setting. Okay, so that was the highlighter. What do I think about it? I think we all saw that shit happen for itself. So the texture, it's great. It's like a healthy mix of like creamy and dry. So if you want like a quick dry swoop, you just go in really quickly. But if you want to work in that creaminess, you just kind of rub your finger into it a little bit longer and it'll get that creamy texture, which I love. Very easy to use, no fallout. Definitely does not highlight any pores or fine lines or texture. As you can see here, it looks very soft, subtle. It's highlight, it's there, it's shiny, but it's not like glittery and like unnatural looking. Like it's very complimentary. Even the color itself, I think I took the second darkest shade, champagne, and it still looks great on my skin. It does give me that sun-kissed look. So I love this product. What do you guys think? Have you tried this? That being said, that's everything that I have for this video. It was nice to see everyone again. I hope you had a happy, healthy Thanksgiving and happy holidays for the ones that are coming up. Bye, guys. Ah, I don't want to wake up.